King! King! You look for trouble for this village. You are looking for trouble! You have just hit the war drum. You will dance to it. Cheer and now today you will dance to it. I'm telling you.
I don't need a soothsayer to tell you who I am. Now you need to tell that idiot, that coward hiding behind a woman, what I can do to him, what I can do to anyone who wants to contest with King.
Why did you make me stop here now? Why did you make me stop here?
Okay, stop here now. I said one rob here. So keep my money, make I come.
I should give you your money, but your house is so close here now. We are almost close to your house. And you are still asking for money.
Oh, I can see my friend is talking. Want to carry me to my house and my father or what? I don't want you to take me to my house. Rob me here, rob me. You can't give me my money. Okay, keep my money now. You don't want to give me?
See, your house is very close.
Okay,
come why are you taking my key? Why are you taking my key?
Come on, punish you. Why are you taking
my key now?
Come on, punish you.
Who gave you the...
Come take the key.
My friend,
baby fire, everybody they complain, the fighter, baby fire, to follow men, no, to go for him, no, you get an A1. But your life no supposed to be like this. Equal fighter.
Woman in this village who has not enjoyed from what she bought, not well packaged from what she bought, not taking good care of from what she bought, is not starting a good life. That person is still far away from beginning. Yes.
Sir, I know you in this village as a very good man.
Oh.
A man who helps the needy. But I cannot have anything to do with you, sir.
Don't think that way. Let me tell you, it is girls like you that need men like me. Because I will package you. I will buy, especially this G-string part for you, a good skirt, good blouse, shoe, the makeup and the hairdo I will give you. Like will look like that of a Janet Jackson. It is people like you that...
Oh, sir, stop touching me, please. This is outside and moreover...
Okay. I know where you're going. You don't like it outside. I equally do not like it outside. So let's go to my house.
Sir, please stop it. I don't deal with old men, please. And stop touching me, I don't like it.
But I was thinking that my fingers were romantic on your body. You know that.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Sochi, without anyone telling you, you want to walk out on the great Ochabuto.
You don't mind her.
The women doctor.
Tell her the truth. Tell her, have you heard the truth now?
Uncle. Waiting they go now. What do you have for your girls?
I have for you, but not right now. Later. Please, I'm on a mission. Later, I take care of you.
Sir, you said something about you being on a mission.
On a mission? I'm a businessman.
With who and where?
Look at you. See, she, as if you don't know that as you are like this, you are on a mission that needs to be achieved.
I remember. Have you heard everything from them? They have preached to you. They've made you get convinced about what I was telling you. You know. Oh, so what we're going to do? See, my fingers are romantic. Enjoy them. See, they even go.
Please stop it. Please, I told you not to touch me.
Archie, you have mine, no.
I'm not done with you. Turn back now. Have we finished? We haven't finished.
Yes.
Eh?
Come back. Sochi, you're walking out on Uncle. Uncle, see.
Look at this one.
Uncle, don't mind her. You achieve her. Don't worry.
Hey, Abraham, I'm shocked at her behavior.
Don't worry.
Do you know I was perceiving bad smell from her mouth?
Hey, Uncle, do you know this kind of arrow?
Hey, go and brush your teeth, oh. Anytime you want to get out from your house, look at the mirror. You see that your teeth are like unyi. Yeah, unyi. Oh, look at this one.
Don't worry, Uncle. Uncle, don't worry. Just take it easy. You get her.
If she's not careful, you take her position.
We are ready.
You take her place. Because I'm sure I can carry the two of you at the same time. You.
No, Uncle, we'll give her charcoal.
Give her charcoal.
I know what two of you can do to me. But you won't send me to ambulance. Can you imagine that?
Okay. We are here for something for us, so we are coming.
Don't fail. Now I've lost her. I have you to rely on. You know, I'll be alone my war.
Okay, Uncle, we are coming. Uncle.
When I'm bala, I want me piano.
Why is your face like this now? Tell me, any problem?
Ngozi, you can ask questions from Nweje without anyone telling you. You should see that it's written all over her face that she has either fought with a man or a man's wife.
You don't remember that,
IKWO.
You dey craze? Something ready for head? You dey mad? See, last time when I check, this girl don't craze finish. She don't craze finish. Idiot.
Just leave him. Favor. Why can't you talk to your friend like that now? IKWO, I better leave him. I better just me now. What did happen now? Business last night. I be.
You know thing now. Can ask me the usual. But someone annoy me. What annoys me? The man they called myself my business partner. What affects me now? He won't try to meander me. Trust me now, IKWO. I change her for her.
I know.
IKWO, did you fight?
No.
Now kiss her.
I beg your blood to the hot. Small, simple question that needs simple answer. You're saying all this nonsense.
I'll kill this girl.
IKWO, I better leave her.
If you know how I go kill this girl one day. I go kill her. Idiot. Ngozi, when are they go now?
Well, now we're going to the house, but now we don't see you. I better move go your side.
Wait, my house. If my mother don't come again, you know go the house. But when I back, more they go.
My God, my Father, please help me change my daughter. The only child that I have, heaven and earth, the only one. Help me, I don't even know what is wrong with her. Because my daughter is not like this before. People does not behave like this before. She knows that Ochiaboto is an evil man. She doesn't use her eyes to see him. All of a sudden, he is the only good companion my daughter finds. His house is the only place my daughter stays. He is not my daughter's best friend. I know something is wrong somewhere. And only you, my God, can save me from this. Only you. I don't even know where to start. But I know you, my God, can start somewhere. I save my child.
Well, you see, that is how it is, guys. And don't forget, we are going to the place.
Boss, no vex.
Yes.
May not be say, person they pursue air they blow, they pursue, they run after them. Where the air they go, no. The direction of the air, we know they even see them with our eyes. Wait till they try to be say, boss, waiting will be the percentage this time around.
Are you deaf and dumb? Are you mad? Something is sick you for head. You ask that question. You don't know the percentage where you dey collect before.
I know.
Abi you want make I reduce the hand?
No, I know the movement. I know as they be now. But make person no come dey pursue air. Where the air they go, you don't know. You know they even see them. So boss, I know I cannot take that amount from you or Ochiaboto. I don't think collect that amount from anybody, I beg.
You dey Chris? So you dey challenge me, you dey bad? Are you bad?
No sir.
Huh?
No sir.
Something dey worry you?
No sir.
Bully! Baba. This guy don't do, make it collect. Sure, wait here, I mean.
Boss, you never... No. Are you talking, Abi? No. I can't take that from you or boss. What you talk am?
Yes.
Ready to collect slap.
Wait, they fuck up!
See, boss. You don't fuck up! Anyway, boss, how far now? What you play now? Also, how far your being now?
Boss, not true. Where she dey sef? Person go there here, they plan. She no go there. No, wait till she want plan, we never go plan sef. Which information where she want bring, we will never information finish. Let me say we need that. If you ask me, boss, I will say we should not even lay here.
See, make I tell you something. If I don't see you here now, I swear to God, I go show you the difference between love and business. You know who they are, man, because I know they play business.
I calm down. You're brought to the hot. Calm down. There's a problem with that one. Anyways, my mama out now. I don't go pick up. I don't go pick.
So, your mama don't know what to be business. You don't know what to be that time for business. My friend, can yourself come here? They cannot change up for you. You dey bad.
Mr. Man, I believe you can hear English. Ha! This guy is crazy sometimes too.
Boss, how far now? What you play now? She coming.
Are you bad? Is it your coming? What is your business with her coming? If she's coming or not?
Boss, all of us did this thing together. She supposed they here, sorry sir, no be say, sorry boss. I beg, can I piece myself? Make I, no be say, listen.
Mama, welcome.
My dear.
Mama, you don't come. Welcome.
Favor. You and Ngozi. Why are the two of you so wicked? Why are you so wicked? Just look at my only daughter. You see her going mad per second, and you people are not doing anything about it. Is it fair?
Mama, we tried talking to her, but...
But what? But what? You don't come again? You don't come again from another compound? You don't come again? I go kill you! Now they go! They go! I go kill you! I swear to God, I will kill you! Nobody go do anything about it!
IKWO is okay now. She's still your friend. You don't have to talk like that.
Okay now.
IKWO, just because your friend Favor said the truth, you want to kill her. IKWO, you have changed. Hi! God, God, where are you?
Mama, this thing they vex me, oh. This thing they vex me. Eh? How my big, how the thing you come here, come on, big man. You need to do it and forget your daughter. Your only daughter. Eh? You don't cool, no, mama. You don't cool. No. Hi. Mora. My only sweet mother. Now you oh, for don't kill this girl now. Now you oh, call you for don't kill this girl now. But you know I never changed now, mother. I never changed. Let me be your only daughter. My only daughter. When you care, your only daughter. I never changed, mama. I see IKWO.
IKWO, you have changed. This is not the child I gave back to IKWO. What is going on? What is wrong with you? Where have you gone to?
Mama, now.
Where is my child?
Mama, now.
What did I do to you?
I tell you now.
Who took my child?
Mama, I need to do this.
See the way she's making her mother cry.
How about your education? How about school? Does it make sense to you? Okay.
Mama, read that one. Another one. Read that one. Read that one. School is not my calling. Read that one. School don't cool, mama. They cry again. This they pain me for her as they cry so, but for school, mama, leave school. I'm telling you, leave school. There's another way. There's another way. Leave school. Forget about school.
Eh?
Okay. See, tell your father that one thing I will hate It's when the time to repay this money reaches, he begins a story. I won't like that. But the person because of whom I'm giving this money is your mother, because I'm into good relationship with your mother. Do you understand? Take. The amount here is 150,000 naira. Not small money.
My mother, your personal person. How close is the relationship between you and my mother?
Okay. Oh, do you want to know about your mother and I, or about this money? Now, which one do you prefer? Taking money?
I need the money.
You need the money? Then take the money. Eh? I see you try to get away with making it.
Thank you very much. I have to be on my way. I heard that this village is no longer safe like it used to be before. Thieves are all over.
Who told you that rubbish? Who told you the rubbish? Take this money to your father. Let me not hear story. You can go.
Thank you, Mazi. I will.
Look what my because. Ah, piano mawo. Mbale kwa ngo we piano. Eh? Ah, piano mawo. Piano mbala ajo. Eh?
Where are you going to? I hope you're not going to see that stupid boy you call your boyfriend King.
What is all this now? What is all this now? Don't make me text so. Don't make me text so. Nkosi, one this get. What is all this? How can you say me for going to see my rubber king? How?
But that same boy has been beating you like a mad dog. And you keep running to us to help you on what to do or how to leave that useless relationship.
God punish you there! God punish you! That thing kill you there! That dog kill you! Mother you there! Idiot! Who asked you for help? I ask you. I beg you! God punish you!
IKWO. Why will you talk to your friend like that? Kill her now. Your childhood friend because of that guy. I beg. Let's go and see.
Change your brand. I'm going to see my rubber king. Yes. You have a business deal.
IKWO. I'm advising you as a friend. Leave that useless relationship. Leave that boy King before he kills you. Leave him alone.
Very good. Very good. But before he kills me, I'll make sure I remove that useless life out of your life. Yes. Out of this world you go. And you know what that means? You know what that means now? You know what that means? If you don't have anything to say, keep your mouth shut. I'll kill you one day. One day, I'll kill him.
IKWO. Kill her now. Kill her. Kill her because of that guy. Kill her.
Let me tell you. If you don't wanna, I'll kill you and join. Idiot of the type. Bloody food. Idiot.
IKWO. Wait. IKWO, you're leaving us.
I better let her go. Sometimes I wonder what her mother will be going through in the hands of that useless girl. God forbid, ever since she came back from Calabar, her problem has increased from small to big, from bad to worse. What kind of a girl?
This is not even the one you are talking about. That is telling me that she's even calling the guy her lover. That ragamuffin.
I'm as confused as you are. I'm confused as you are. Nonsense girl.
Because if this thing happen again, kill me, make I die. If I ever betray you, let me hang myself before you even kill me. Please, boss. You know go ever.
Not do it again, okay?
It was the stupidness of this idiot. If not, me I for not even misbehave. No.
Be careful.
No come misbehave for me. What's happening? We cannot be safe person just from nowhere.
Serious food. Chere! If you're around, don't talk to somebody that is up. You hear me? You hear me? Idiot. Chere!
IKWO?
Yes.
What is the meaning of that?
This?
Yes, what is the meaning?
Brother, this is slap from above. Heavy slap. If you know, Jay.
How person go walk out from wherever she walk out from? Cause see two men they kneel down. Why they kneel down? She don't know. Now slap by why? We dey do slap rehearsal.
Well, Usobu, why don't you tell her why you are down?
No need. She's just a woman.
God punish you for that talk. God punish you. Idiot. Just a woman. See you now, See you now. You can't say puri. Just say, but I could mash you.
Keep quiet.
Idiot.
Keep quiet. You are nothing but just a girl. You are just a girl. Ordinary just a girl. Now you be.
That talk murder you there. That talk kill you. Murder you.
IKWO, you say you go match me. Me bully, you say you go match me.
Yes,
you know the fear.
I go match you.
You go match me.
I go match you. As for you, you got me just again. You got me just again. Let me tell you, ask your lover. Ask my rougher here. Ask your God. I'll be 10 men put together for this body. I don't know.
You say don't make me laugh. 10 men inside one woman. See, don't they deceive yourself. I know who you be. If you don't know, make I sell and give you. You are 10 Igbo, 10 wraps of Igbo, where they mix with alligator pepper and Cameroon pepper. You can't smoke and finish because they feel like 10 men in one woman. When in actuality, you are 10 Igbo in one woman.
You shut that hole in your face, Nsobo.
Yes.
You know the problem with you? No, sir. The problem with you is that you talk too much. Huh? You talk too much, but I have news for you, Nsobo. You're my boy. My boy, you will remain for the rest of your life. If I say sit, you sit. If I say stand, you stand. If I say run, you run. If I say jump high, you ask me how high. Else, yes. I will kill you and no one will ever find your corpse. Is that understood?
Yes, you don't need to tell them, they know it. They know it. You're the king. You're the king. They know it now.
But wait. Where were you last night? Where were you yesterday? You know fully well what is on ground. Camino.
I'm there. I'm there. Hold it there. I don't be your boys. I don't be your boys. No, don't ask me that kind of question.
Are you talking to me that manner?
No.
No, boss. No be you she dey talk to now. She don't be talk to you like that, she dey Chris. I wish she dey talk to. I wish she dey. They deceive yourself. They say na us we dey deceive. You better do something now, boss. Else this girl go enter here one day. Come tell you make you kneel down. Wait it.
Wait first. IKWO, you say make boss pause am then.
You say make boss pause am.
They complain, IKWO na trouble, IKWO na trouble, IKWO the fighter, baby fire.
How are you?
Mama, welcome back. Mama, it's like market was good today. Oh.
Yes, market was good. Where are both of you going without your friend?
Yeah.
Where is
she? Mama, she's fine. We left her home.
Oh,
so she should be at home, yes.
Okay. One of the reasons I came back was to cook self. Let me go home and meet her.
Mama, take care of you.
I will.
All right, ma. Your mouth will put you in trouble.
Ngozi, you can lie for Africa.
Must you be the one to tell that her daughter moves around?
And must you be the one to always lie? Liar! Are you leaving me here, Ngozi? Wait now.
Guys, as it be so, matters are rising, eh? It is true that if trust day, water no go fit cook fish. Chill, let us go ahead sharing of the money.
What do you mean? To share my money before me? My own money?
Sir, no, it's not what he meant. Now this idiot, now him be the same make we share the money. Me and him be the planner before Oga come catch us, come discipline us, then come the report us they give you.
Do you still want this your life inside your body?
Sorry, sir. There's a mistake here. I did not voice any word out.
But you heard him say it now. The two of you.
You are mad to say that. You are very stupid! Who are you? Guy, be careful with me, oh! Be very careful with me! Are you okay? Look at this idiot! Huh? Guy, if you touch me now, I'll finish your head. Who are you, Seth? Huh?
What's happening here? See me later in the house. Later. Oh?
Richard, meet you in your house. What happens about? Listen. Why don't I follow you now? Let me follow you to your house now.
Can somebody tell him what I said?
Sir, he heard you. He don't be deaf and deaf. Our whole king himself go come dey run repetition with him like say him be primary school pupil.
Okay.
I don't hear everything. I don't hear you. I don't hear you now. I hear everything when I talk.
King, I thought you said it's the three of you.
Yes, now. It's here. 1, 2, 3. 3 of us. Yes.
Na mistake, sir. I don't know now. Invitation.
What is now coming now? I don't understand though. What is the meaning of all this now? What is all this? Uncle, let me tell you. I hear when this boy received the call. Yes, I heard it. Now this same you changed that plan. And I didn't know the new one. Yes, you didn't involve me. You cannot cut me off. It's not possible. Impossible.
Let me see you aside. Let me see.
It's not fair. To our side now. It's not fair.
What is all this? Why are you dragging from that money discussion? No!
Igbo, I want my cut from the business of money.
But what business are you talking about? I beg, forget about that one. That one is old school. You don't pass. He's passed.
You talk
That's
too much. You talk too much. When you talk, you allow the other person to talk.
I don't understand all this. So I don't know what you're talking about. Let's talk about this one now. Don't try to cheat me now.
Who is cheating you? Huh?
Uncle, leave all this thing. Let's dance to this one thing and see. Let's dance to this one now.
I've asked you where is my cut in the business of mother
Uncle,
that I arranged for you.
Uncle, that one is in the past. It has passed.
Ah.
It has passed. Forget about that one.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of my name? Ochiaboto. You know the meaning?
Uncle, what are you talking about now?
What I'm talking about?
You don't change the name from what I don't know about?
You know the meaning?
Read the meaning to the gods. Uncle, forget that meaning. Forget that meaning. It doesn't work for me. Let's talk about this money.
You know what will happen? You are going to meet King. But whatever happens, I want to see you later in my house today. Oh?
In your house or what now? For the money? Don't try me, oh! This man, don't try me! Where are King?
Hey!
Shut up here!
Hey, listen to me! Listen to me! Listen to me!
Listen to you watching! Where are King?
See, you are not part of this job.
You don't follow for this one.
What's
you don't do this deal. You don't do every time.
You like Grace?
You don't be part of it.
Who are they talk to? Who are they talk to? Huh? But where were you last night? Why were you not here last night?
Very good question. But you see, I don't have answer for it. Yes.
Wait, boss. That one a new generational madness. Now you don't say you know the question good. Now you say you know go answer them. I don't understand.
Yes. What don't you people understand? Is it the question she asked or what she said?
You are not part of this game.
Shut up, yeah! Who called this food into this matter? Who called you? Who called into this matter? Yes, who called you?
As a matter of fact, the body is not here. So this matter go dey pending. Yeah,
That's true.
anybody get question?
You don't hear
Pending hang now.
You don't hear
Keep the pending hang now. Not be the mother I just see here. What are you talking about? Oh, do you want to fool me, Abby? I'm too big for that. You're right. You people right.
What's the last
You the bad?
Slap the idiot. See, but may we talk through. Now when you enter, now that money can spoil. Money will for don't share finish. I should carry at that.
God punish you there.
Everybody they complain. Ikwo na trouble, Ikwo na trouble, Ikwo the fighter, baby fire, Ikwo to follow men, to go for hit, you get an A1, but your life is not supposed to be like this. Ikwo the fighter, baby fire, oh yeah. Everywhere you go, everything.
I want you countless times to stay away from me and my family. Stay away from us. Can't you read my lips? Stay away. And for your information, let me remind you that my daughter is not your thug. Please, she is not. And stop deceiving her.
Do you know one problem I found out you have? You have a problem of not knowing that I am the only light in the entire village. And when I mean light, I mean money. I have all the money. You're one of those I want to help. Allow me to help you. You begin to feel fine. That's it.
I don't need your money. I don't want to have anything to do with you or your personality. I don't want your money or by force. Achoromu, read my lips. Achorom Egogi. Stay away. That is the word.
Hey.
Leave me and my family alone. Especially from an evil man like you. I don't want to have anything to do with you.
Eh? See, let's not behave as if we are enemies to each other. Let's just tune ourselves down. First of all, I love you. And because I love you, I want you on my bed. If you have a taste of this bed, you will know you've not met a man like me before. I am not evil. A simple man doing his business and trying to help people like you. That's all.
It is only my dead body that you will meet on that your evil bed. Only my corpse, because I will never lie there. Please, go and give this your evil informations to those who do not know you. Makanama me very well. I know you. I know your personality, what you represent.
You know I can turn your dead body into a lively body and enjoy you better.
I am done with you.
Eh?
I have finished. Stay away!
We are not done yet. We are not done. One thing is very clear, and that is that the property left behind by my late brother all belongs to me. Tradition says it. Our culture admits it. I own you, own everything. Let me just tell you, do you know I can turn your nose into the nose of Michael Jackson? If you don't like Michael Jackson, I'll make it Janet Jackson's nose. Look like Janet. The way I call her, Janet. I begin to call you Janet. Janet, yeah? Go and net. Janet. Janet. Pialo mawo. Manambale cross me pialo. Ufum was in piala one pialombala.
My love, sitting here and thinking all day will not solve this issue at hand. Please, you have to stop thinking.
Obi, my mind tells me that Mazi Ochiaboto knows exactly what happened to the money he gave us last night.
My son, what you are saying is not the way forward. What you should be thinking now is how to save your mother's life. That's all.
Papa, nothing will happen to Mama. Mama is going to be fine.
Amen.
But come to think of it, after Victor and his wife borrowed money from him to prepare for their wedding, they were ambushed and the money was taken from them. Do you know up till today, they have not been able to pay the money back?
Exactly what I'm saying. Now my question is, how and where did he get the money from?
If you ask him, he will say he's a businessman.
And that is the truth. He's a businessman. He brings clients to buy people's land and he makes his share from it. That is the only way to make money.
Papa, don't even go there. See, that man knows what he's doing. That is not all. There is something only him knows that we don't know.
My son, let's leave that talk. Let's think of what is important to us. And that is how to save your mother's life. He told me that he's coming. I can even sell the land close to the riverside. If only he can get a buyer.
Papa, don't even go there. Biko, Ejim Chukuyoge. You will do no such thing. Please.
John, what are you saying? Do you have money that we give to the doctor for your mother's treatment? Is there anywhere you have money? Bring it, let's give to the doctor.
Ejiro, I don't have. But somehow the money must come. Yes.
How thorough is going to go? It's your mother we are talking about here.
My brother, I'm very sorry about what I heard about your wife being in the hospital. Such is life. So bear the situation, oh?
It's okay. It's just that the doctor is asking for money every day.
Hold it. Didn't your son give you the money I gave him to give to you?
Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
Robbers came to my house the same night and collected the money from me.
The money I gave, robbers came and took it?
Yes.
What kind of story is that? What time did this happen? Because I gave the money around daytime.
In the night. When I was still outside waiting for you, you told me that to wait for you, that you are coming. I was waiting when they stormed into my house and collected the money.
Listen, I'm sorry for not coming. I had a change of plan. That's the cause. I'm sorry. Oh? Oh God.
It's okay. It's okay. But the situation is critical now. My wife's situation is very, very critical. And the doctor is still asking for more money.
Wait. Your wife is still there in the hospital?
Yes.
Doctor asking for more money?
Yes. So please, I need to sell down my land by the riverside so that I can raise money.
Land by the river? No. A parcel of land by the river is not attractive. It is not in a strategic position for any buyer. Who will be interested going to the side of the river to build what? No.
Ochi, I know about that. But I know that with your connection, you can still get me a buyer. Please, help me.
You know what will happen? I'll help you look for a buyer. But don't forget my 10%.
You are 10%?
Yes.
It's okay, but I don't know how much the buyer will be asking.
Whatever the buyer pays, I have a 10% cut. Do you agree or don't you?
It's okay, just get me the buyer, please. Anything.
Good. So we'll see later on this.
It's okay.
I'll get a buyer.
Okay, sir.
You are all I have. I know your uncle, Ochiabuto, has a hand in this. This is the reason I sent you to my sister in Calabar to stay with her. But she said that all of a sudden, you changed. You changed it to something else. Something she wouldn't explain. IKWO, please, my daughter, what is going on? What is really going on? I don't know.
Forget about that one. Nothing is going on. I'm still IKWO. I'm not changed. But is this school? I'm done with school. I'm not going again. That one is old date. No, it's in the past. I cannot go back to school again. That one is in the past. I cannot do it.
My child, you have changed. You have changed so much. You loved school. So I want you to go back to school. Go back to school. And be useful to yourself. Go back to school, and at the end of the day, you will become useful to this generation. Your generation. Even if you don't give me, at least you will be useful to yourself.
Man, forget about this school talk. Forget about it. Because it will not work. It's my life now, and I want to live it the way I want to. I'm going to live it. Forget about it, though. Because we'll talk and talk and talk about this school, and we'll not achieve anything. So leave it.
One, please go back to school. Is it too much of a thing for me to ask? Is this going back to school too much of a thing? This is all I want for you. This is all I wish for you. Please.
Thank you very much for this wish, Mama. Thank you very much. But you see, this thing you're talking about is because you don't know what tomorrow holds. Trust me, you don't know. You only know about today, but not tomorrow. The future, you don't know what the future holds. People have become something without school. I've strategized on time, so I know I don't want to waste my time on school. No, leave it. I don't want to waste my time in school.
If not to fight,
I wish to let you know, my daughter, that the tomorrow you are talking about starts
your life not supposed to be like this.
Tomorrow you are shouting about
IKWO the fighter
starts from today.
Baby fire, oh yeah.
Father,
everywhere.
I am not in support of that. You can't say that land because of mother's sickness.
John, it's your mother we are talking about here. Do you want her to die?
Father, she will not die. And you will not say that land. I mean, how can he say that you have to give him his money before giving the doctor the remaining one? It is not done anyway.
My dear, let us get the buyer first. Discuss with him. Then we know what to do.
Okay, let me ask you. What if you say that land and still lose your wife, my mother? What will you do?
Why will you say a thing like that? Do you value that land more than your mother?
Father, it's not like that, but I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, and you know that.
Okorie,
Listen. I don't know why Ishe Osha is insisting that I should pay you this money in cash. I don't know. As a matter of fact, I don't move around with cash. So what I want you to do, now you have taken me to the land, I have seen the land. So all I want you to do, just take me to the doctor so that I can make a transfer.
There's no problem. There's no problem.
It's okay.
I will take you to the doctor.
Oh, good.
It's just that I'm just suspecting something. But the way it is now, I agree with you. We go to the doctor, you do the transfer for him.
Just feel free. I will take me to the doctor.
Okay, let's go to the doctor.
Okay.
You see, I told you, but you didn't listen to me. Can't you see that man has evil ideas on that money? Well, thank God the buyer didn't listen to him. Soon, my mother will get well and she will be back home.
That's our prayer. But I still think that the man might not be the evil man you still think he is. Yes. Oh, my phone. The doctor. Maybe your mom is ready to come back home. Hello, doc. Good morning. What? Oh, but how? Hey!
Father, what is it? Talk to me. What happened?
Your mother is dead.
Is it a lie? No! It can be. It can be.
Hey! You are Tani Kulishi. Alamni Nemrechara. Mwanya died. What? Who did I offend?
Where are you running to like this?
My mother is.
Is your mother back to the house? Your mother is what? John! Wait for me! Your mother is what?
My lord. What happened? Why are you frowning?
Just look at my body, look at me. Look at my legs, I'm feeling pains all over.
Kefe, tell me.
I met IKWO on the road. So I confronted her to leave my dad alone. Do you know that chaff, that fool? Do you know she picked up a fight with me? And after that, I went to report her to her boyfriend. Do you know what that, I don't even know what to call him, that talk, do you know what he said to me?
Obim, tell me, what did he say to you?
The fool said I should go and fight my dad in her house. What? That he's going to meet us later. Can you imagine that?
Wait, you mean that fool, that jobless idiot that doesn't want to change and be useful to himself said you should do so to your own father? Your own father, Nage? He must be very stupid for saying that. So, okay, he thinks it is still the old days when he was busy terrorizing the whole village. And he was even in it, even before I left for the city to serve my Oga. You don't want to know him. His time is up. I will deal with him in this village.
Eh?
Hi.
You will do what?
Hey, my love. Please, I don't think this is a good idea at all. You want to go and fight kings and his dogs? This is not a good idea. See, I still love you and I'm not ready to lose you now at all. See, this your fine nose. I don't want it. I don't want them to scatter it. Please, oh, please.
Wait. Even the Utem Naru. See, if I remember what that guy did to me at the past and what Mwaka did to me, Makachi, Angomi, Mboya.
It's not like I'm saying you cannot fight him, oh. And you know my man again. I know you're a very strong man, but I don't think it's a good idea. You don't have no weapon, no gun, no dagger, and you're going to fight him. Please, so I will not advise you to go.
Obim, are you coming with me or not?
To go and fight King.
You know what? let's go and handle a course matter first.
Equal the fighter, baby fire, oh. Everywhere you go, everything you do, everything you say, everybody knows say you
So are you trying to say you cannot see me and my handsome boyfriend standing in your compound here? Handsome boyfriend? Oh, so are you? Hey, don't forget. Don't touch me, oh! Don't touch me! You don't come again? Are you trying to say you cannot see me and my boyfriend, my handsome boyfriend standing here? Hey, here! You don't talk nang. So are you there? You don't come. Now for no change nang. Are you for talk well? Now you're talking. But talk like a human being nang. Now you're talking like a human being. Talk well, hey. So what do you want? Because I'm going inside because I'm very busy. I'll come back tomorrow.
If you move an inch from where you are standing now, I swear you will choose between these two thunders. One, the one that has heavy rain, or the one that has a bit rain with lightning, because one of them must fire you here. Oh yeah,
move! Let me see, move! Now you see this my resident. You don't come. If you talk now, all the hear that quack 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 quack. Now you get a very bad voice like that generator with quack 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 quack. On the picture now, you very stupid. You be very stupid girl. You bring serious. You bring idiot. You get some boyfriend. This is a boyfriend. Say it. You of yesterday. This is you of yesterday. Say it. This is why you even come.
You stupid for calling my girlfriend that name. I swear, you see me and you in this village, I will show you in fact, I will deal with you today.
Oh my God! Oh my God! For this strife, for the next strife to come, in the next generation, you this idiot. If you try I kill you, or you never talk. Okay, wait for me. Maybe you're looking at something.
everybody they complain. Equal not trouble. Equal not trouble. Equal the fighter. Equal baby fire. Equal. Everybody they complain. Equal not trouble.
What is it? What is it? What happened? Why are you chasing them with broken bottle?
It's not this stupid girl. She has been dating my father. So I called her and I warned her to stay away from my father, but she would not listen. So today I saw her on the streets. I confronted her. She picked up a fight with me. Then I called my boyfriend to go and warn her. And she broke the bottle and has been pursuing us in the whole of the village.
By the way, why did you just believe gossip told you? Did you catch them?
I heard it.
You heard it. Was it proper for you to hear and believe? Look at the result now. If I wasn't here, look at what would have happened. This bottle would have pierced somebody's body. What happened? Let me hear from you.
Uncle, I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing. Enough for you. Chook everybody. Chook them now. Enough for you. I don't like it though. Let me tell you, become my uncle, yo. Become my uncle, yeah. But watch out for part 2. Watch out. Watch out. It never finish. Watch out. I'll see catch you now. Not be you. I'll catch you. Don't worry. You don't go hide now. Watch out. I'm telling you.
It's okay. So that's all to it. You can go.
Hold down. You're going like a mad woman.
I've said go. I want to ask you a question. The way you behave, do you want to be a man? Are you regretting the fact that you are a girl? You're always behaving like a tomboy.
Uncle, I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing.
You don't like
Everybody they complain. Equal not trouble. Equal the fighter. Equal baby fire. Equal. To follow men, no. To go for it, you get them A1. But your life is not supposed to be like this. Equal the fighter. Baby fire, yeah. Everywhere you go, everything you do, everything you say, everybody knows say you not trouble, oh. Equal the fighter, baby fire, everybody they complain, equal.
How are you?
Stop that! Look at me. You call me pretty. Hey, whoa! I don't suffer. I don't suffer where. You look me, Mazi Beirota, call me pretty. Let me tell you, I know your type. I know your type. Yes, I know your type. You go around looking for who to call pretty and carry to the house for free. It doesn't work with me. It cannot. No.
Oh, I mean, that's not me, okay? And that's not what I mean. Pretty is a beautiful girl, okay? Well, now that's by the way. I'm Chris. Don't you remember me?
Remember you how? No. I don't keep it in my memory. My storage cannot be full. No, it has to be free. So as soon as I finish business with you, off you go. I delete you off so that new business faces can come in.
You're really funny, okay? But I'll remind you, okay? I'll help you. My name is Chris. Chris, the guy that separated you a few minutes ago while you were fighting. With your friend.
Just stop it. Bro, stop it. I take call them back you. Don't even mention that name again. Who you call my friend? Did I introduce her to you as a friend? If you don't want me to say you market now, just stop it. Either I'll give you market. No. You cannot get my friend. How? Again, I was just teaching a lesson because she talks too much. Yes. I'm IKWO. I hate people that talk too much. So I teach her a lesson. Yes. So don't try it again, oh. Don't try it. Think before you talk, bro. Think.
Okay. That's true. You're right. Okay? I mean... I like your style. And I'm sure you'll be funny to be with. So, can we be friends? I mean, you and I.
Bro. I know you are time. I tell you. From one dock to enter another, you meander.
Okay. No more questions, okay? But can I at least drop you off? Wherever you're going.
I am not going anywhere, so you cannot rob me. Yes, I'm just trekking. Everywhere I'm trekking. Cannot rob me.
See, okay. Even if you're going to nowhere, can I still drop you?
I said you cannot rob me. You didn't hear me? See, come out praying. If it's business, we talk it. Enter this car, we talk business straight. If no business, IKWO is off. Yes.
Okay. Enter the car, let's talk business.
Don't try me, oh. If you reach there and change it, I change that for you. Don't try me, oh.
IKWO, baby fire, IKWO, if not to fight, to cause you trouble, oh, you get them A1. Your life not supposed to be like this. IKWO the fighter, baby fire, oh, yeah. Everywhere you go, everything you do, everything you say, everybody knows say you not trouble, oh. IKWO the fighter, baby fire, oh. Everybody.
What's your problem?
I don't know. Sometimes if I try, maybe you don't get sense. This message we all send us, you know they see him the way me I see him. You know I don't understand that message, and that message they even fear me. Are they scared?
They fear you.
Are they scared? Okay. I don't understand them.
You don't understand what he said. Okay, let me explain to you now. Boss said, "Bully, Nsobu, go and look for IKWO. She's not picking my call. If you see her, both of you should escort her to where I am." That's all. That's exactly what boss said. Why are you here wasting my time?
Right. And you think say I be deaf and deaf before I not hear them. I hear this thing where you hear. This way tell me so. I've even tell you and 5 times.
But so see, what's your problem?
You know they understand. Okay, see IKWO, crazy as we know. You know they pick Oga call. Oga can send us small rats. Make we go call IKWO. Make we even drag and go meet them. You know they see waiting now they see. And they see and say, it be like person one join person head with the other person head together. Now love matter. Oh, make we leave these people. Make they do their love. I don't understand this thing.
What are you even saying?
You know what now they're saying.
What are you saying? You are talking rubbish. What are you saying? The point is that you walk up to IKWO. Tell her that boss wants to see her. If she talks nonsense, you give her a dirty slap that will redirect her brain to where boss is. That's all. Why are you here wasting my time? Now you the fuck up. Huh? How the guy didn't been able to serve?
You get lost say that hand no reach me.
What you go do now? What you go do?
Leave wetin I go do first. But you see, I been say I don't understand boss message. You can't carry your own for confusion. Join boss own. Which one be say now we go meet IKWO or now only you go meet IKWO? I no still understand what you dey talk.
Oga say now you, not we. What are you saying in a couple bullshit, man?
Oh man, me go meet am.
Guy, you know they touch.
Oh, if I don't tell me this thing before, now don't be waiting to go come the vex. Huh? Now understand. Okay, I go meet am. Exactly. Come tell her say boss one time. Then if she mess up, drag am. You know, possibly slap am. You go stand as a supervisor.
I'm watching you.
The record.
Exactly.
Madman, I swear, thunder will go fire you. You see that thunder when they go Afghanistan? Now then go revise, come fire you. Another one where they waka, they go Sambisa forest. Go revise, come fire your mama. Idiot. I be your boy, I go. They make trouble with the go, only you go stand, they look.
Wait. Okay, now me you dey tell say thunder go fire my mama.
No, maybe that myself I dey talk.
Now you dey tell say thunder go fire my mama.
So what? What you fit do? Anyway, you no even get mama. I for tell you back.
I will just waste you here and nobody will ask of you.
I mean the fine.
I will just waste you and nobody.
I go hold my hand. I'll buy you.
What is it? I've been looking for you for some time now. There is something I want to complain to you about.
What is it?
It's about your daughter. Please, call your daughter to order. Tell her to stop following my father.
I should call my daughter to order and tell her to stop following your father. I don't understand. How? It's a man that goes after a woman and not a woman going after a man. I don't understand this.
In your own daughter's case, it's the opposite. She is the one going after men. Not just men, but men old enough to be her father. Tell her to leave my father alone. If not, I will deal with her in such a way to affect you too, since she does not want to respect herself.
You know what? There's nothing I will not see in this village. Nekwa Uchicha of yesterday. Nezunenka, small girl of yesterday. Stopping me on the way to warn me against my daughter. That's your father. How does he look? Who is her father? No, I don't blame you at all. You can even slap my two chin because of your father. After all, IKWO brought it to me. She's the one disgracing me all about.
Daddy, I can't be. I be say these people they are around. Maybe we find them. Now them IKWO. Hey, so now here this foolish girl they. Me and you they kill ourselves. They walk out the whole village. They look for her. Hey, see, Bully, what you go do?
See what you go do, You see that guy will carry behavior like my See that idiot? Foolish there, Punch up!
Hey, now waiting now. Now me you don't.
Calm down now. You should fear. What you be your own?
Keep your hand outside or I go stay.
Punch out like this. You feel me, ba? You feel me?
I dey feel you.
You feel me?
Keep on down now.
You feel me?
I dey feel you.
So you go now carry IKWO. You now take her to boss.
Me go carry IKWO. Okay, wait. The guy where you say we go punch, who go do the punching? You know specify. Now me or now you. Or now two of us go join hand punch. And why you no carry IKWO? All these smalls where you get. Now for carrying now. Look that guy very well. You know they see that thing where they hear. What if that guy now president son, governor son, or even native doctor son? We no go back and go punch like that now. Make we no go enter trouble.
So what are we going to tell us now? Are we going to tell him that we do not see her or what?
Okay, see what you go do. Make we waka enter that place. You understand? But this time, make we no go as enemies. Make we use our head. We go enter them, move close to them, then we go know from there where to attack.
Okay? You're right.
Yes.
In fact, now today you talk something will make sense. Since I know you. You don't say be idiot.
You mean all this while when me and you know I never.
You know
talk.
they make sense now.
Well, thunder go fire who you go fire. No?
You have a very sad story. But I think you can still mend it by going back to school.
Impossible. That's not even possible now. Go to school. I cannot go back to school now. No, it's not possible. It's too late. You know, there's actually time for everything. I cannot go back to school to talk about nothing.
I know there's time for everything. But for me, I feel education is a necessity for all. Everyone needs to be educated because education is very important and it exposes you to a lot of good things of life and connects you to important people.
I want to hear it.
I want you to think about it.
Oh my God! They come! My nigga! My nigga, they come! Jay! Bully!
My best.
My nigga!
What's up?
Shut
My guy, what's up?
You bad
man, huh?
You never
Not brother, chop no.
Sit down. Have fun now. What do they do here?
Leave that one, make we no go.
It's okay, fly back.
What? You know them?
Just I don't know people that. My guy.
Bar woman, please get them something to drink.
Get it.
Oh yeah, please. We need a chilled Hennessy. Do you have it?
Jay!
The one we don't.
Hurry up.
Hey, my nigga.
Yes.
So my dear, that's what I have to say. You have to think about it. Education is very important. And I tell you something, if you go back to school, you won't regret it. I have to rush to the site to check the progress of the work.
I could think about that forever. But I think I could follow you now, so I could try before I go.
No problem. Let's go then.
Manika! Money!
Equal, I have a say. Confirm. My guy, thank you. My God bless you. Thank you very much.
Because of boss. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I beg, next time they give up pepper soup. Now only this one they give us.
Yes, pepper soup.
Equal now you be obstacle. Now you be obstructing block.
Equal, you dey fuck up, bro. My guy, thank you. Bye bye.
Come, no touch this one. Don't touch this one, idiot. No touch her. Boy, idiot. Why go they use teeth to open drink? Make them not say from push. You know say open now.
Now why you call me idiot?
No talk now, you go be like.
Now why you call me bully? Idiot. Be like say you no get brain. Why me I no go use my teeth?
Why you go use teeth?
Now you get that for me?
Why you go use teeth?
I'm a bushman. Leave me now. It concern you.
You don't go carry your book.
Guy, take your time, oh.
Keep am for your
Guy, take your time, oh. If you try him again, I go swallow you.
Don't be quarrel
now. Who is this self?
Na corrections.
No, they insult me, I beg. I hate insult, I beg.
Na corrections.
No, they insult me. This is an insult to me. Huh?
Okay, leave am now. Next time, me and you no go follow.
Nonsense.
If you do that nonsense, I will not leave you come out. You suppose show say you from city. No be every time they review say you be village person.
Which city? Ebe I go on a parent. Which city?
Be like sha.
Ebe I go on a parent.
No settle.
My God, see goodness. Henneke, no, this is life and Henneke. Enjoyment. Hi. Wait.
We wait for it.
So, we dey find person. We see am. We do like say we no see am. Hey!
If not that one, leave am. I know the answer. Now, power of Henneke. You know say they take drink confuse our brain. We don't know what they do again. I swear. But wait, come to think of it. Wait till you go tell boss now. Hi. I dey pity you. Oh. Boss send you make you go bring woman. You can't leave the woman. Come they drink the Henneken and the life.
Why you always they put all these things for my head?
I pity you.
No, why you they put that for my head now? Eh? Guy, you dey insult me, oh.
Don't be insult now.
Guys, you dey insult me, oh. You dey insult me, oh. Guy, go finish you, oh. Hey. See, make I tell you something. Eh? See what to do now, eh? See this drink. Better say you drink and finish. Because even if you leave this drink, eh, you no gonna make sense. If we go back, if boss won't kill us, make him kill us. You no concern me.
See, I understand where they go. I beg. If you dey talk, no dey hit table. Make my drink no come for when you hold your own for hand. They hit table. Make
me. No insult.
Don't be insult.
I hate insults.
And wait,
huh?
wait.
Amen.
Since when I know you, now the first time we talk something sensitive. Don't drink and if not die. That thing we boss go to make it one.
Make it do it.
I'm not tell you now.
Make it do it.
So we're gonna leave the house. The next turn now. We just go this way.
Okay, we are there already.
Yes, hey, it's my friends now. I think you have to stop here. Stop here. Stop here. It's my friends. Stop. It's my friends now. They have to see me. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Stop here, clear the room. This is my new guy. Come and see him. Chris. This is my friend. This is my new guy. Chris.
Nice meeting.
Yeah, nice meeting you guys too. Pleasure is on mine, okay? I have to go now.
Oh, you dey go?
Yeah, let me get to the side.
No problem now.
Bye-bye.
Because
right.
see. Baby boy, you don't go. Bye. Come on. Why are you touching me like that? What's happened now? What is it now? Eh? Why you drag my clothes? What did disgrace me in his presence?
IKWO. But the way you do things, it's not right at all. How can you be so open to a guy you just met? Me and you, we know. We know that this guy have not even said anything to you. This girl is so weird.
At least it's better than King. The guy is so handsome, so cute, and he has a big fine car. Hey!
Just stop it there, stop it! Is my boyfriend has got big grammar for? He has a big car, fine car, talk rubbish about. Oh, I don't see I do bad thing to drop your man. No, I do very bad thing to bring and come here. I'm telling you. It's not enough for just the car, get my house, straight. But no wara. I go sit and go my house. But let me cry you, favor. Let me warn you, let me cry you very well because I don't see his eye. Let me cry you where? Let me give you serious warning. If I see you close to my guy, if I even see you, look at him, the way I don't even understand. I kill you hands down. I don't see you now. If I don't see you, if you try, I kill you, idiot.
IKWO. Let her go. I have never seen a lady so weird. How can you propose to a guy? Have you seen a girl proposing to a guy before? Let her go, Joa.
You say you're not shut up. Did she propose? How about you that have been talking to OK? Were you not the one that talked to OK? Eh?
My own is complicated. My own is complicated because it's only she now. It's only she that asked me to go and talk to him now. If not, but IKWO should have some pride, small pride. A woman should have small pride.
So he's talking about pride. Do you have pride? Let's go.
I own is too much now. This guy knows.
IKWO. So
I love the way you're looking now. IKWO. It's like things have changed for the better.
You are happy that she's changing in the wrong way, all because of that guy, Chris. That I'm not even sure if he loves her or not.
Chris, girl, I will kill you one day.
IKWO.
I don't even know why I came to see clothes.
She's a winch.
Yeah.
She's a winch. Winchy. This girl a winch now. Ah! If you don't have anything good to say, keep your mouth shut. It's not good. It's not good for you. No. Okay. Let me tell you. No. Let me warn you. Let me really warn you. You don't know my Chris. Don't talk what you don't know. Very sweet boy. Very good boy. Very good rubber boy. Yes.
Me, I understand what she's trying to say now. Eh? She's just saying that the way you love this Chris, if the Chris really love you the same way.
Exactly. To avoid heart attack or heartbreak, you should wait for the guy to confess his love first, not the other way around. See, I will not tell you sorry when it eventually happens. I don't have hand to clean somebody's tears. I don't have hand to clean somebody's tears, so, eh?
No, I don't say this girl don't craze before. This girl don't craze. This girl don't craze before. God! Me, Ikwo. Me, heartbreak. You dey crazy. Now see them mad. You don't mad, oh? Me, heartbreak. How? But come to think of it, though. How guy go show care of again now? See that in front seat? Let me get up. That front car. Let me do it. Ikwo. Front seat. Yeah. Every time. We did it and they press things. I'm telling you. And you know, say everything what I want, everything what they want. That boy they biking me now. You know like Abi, you know like surrounding that king way, you know like.
No.
Just now.
See, I like the fact that King is no longer there.
Just so.
This Chris, you go.
Just so. Chop the car. Give me like this. Yeah. You too much. You're very good picking. This guy a wish. Chop the car.
When it happens, we will know which of us is the witch.
This guy a win.
We go know now. We will know.
My daughter, from the depth of my heart, I want to talk to you as your mother. You know that nothing in this world will make me to mislead you or deceive you. I can't do that. So I want to talk to you. Because it is the duty of a man to go after a woman and not the other way around. A woman chasing after a man. No. It is not right.
Mora, I don't understand where all this talk is coming from. I don't still understand.
Okay.
What is the problem now?
There is no problem. But there is a little problem. What I'm trying to say here is, it is the duty of a man to ask the hand of a woman for relationship. And then the woman will tell the man, okay, I have heard you. Let me go home and think over it. And not the other way around, like I said before. A woman chasing after a man, and then the man is giving her conditions of going home to think about it. It is an error. My mother told me it is not right. And I did not do it.
Mora, thinking about it, there is no error. No, don't tell me that. There's no error about it. What is bad in telling a man I love you? Mora, there's no bad about it.
That is the error I am talking about. How can you go out trying to tell a man that you love him when a man does not have any feelings for you? You told him that you love him, and he said, I want to go and think over it. It's an insult. It's a big error. It's not right.
Mora, see, forget about that one. Forget about it. Eh? He never took anything yet, but I'm very sure he's thinking about it. You tell me.
You see the problem here. You are talking like this, that to the extent that your friends are not happy about this. Your friend Favor, all of them are. She complained to me of the things you did. That is not right.
Yeah, Mora, now I know where this talk is coming from. I know where this talk is coming from. Oh, is a Favor, Amaka, Nkosi. No. Favor, Mora is Favor. It's Favor that told you this thing. It's Favor that told you this thing, Mora.
Ikwo, I did not tell you any particular person. But is there anything wrong with your friends coming to tell me when you are doing something that is not good? Even if it is safe for the Favor like you are talking about, is she not your friend? Won't she come and tell me when you do something right or wrong?
This thing don't vex me. This thing don't vex me very well. I'm telling you, this thing don't vex me very well, Mora. You listen to Favor. You read me another go listen to side talk. Don't worry. I am coming, Mora.
You go please.
I am coming, Mora. I know where it's coming from. I'm coming.
Don't go and fight. Where are you going? Don't go and fight. Don't go and fight.
Baby fire, oh.
What have I done?
Everybody they
I know Ochi Aboto has a hand in this. His wickedness has kept my daughter in this village. His evil deeds, which I have tried so hard to avoid, is what is nailing my daughter in this village and putting her under this kind of situation and character. Please, I'm begging you, Ochi Aboto, leave my daughter alone. Leave her alone. Leave my family alone. Free her to go back to school.
Baby fire, to follow men,
What have you done this now? Why did you slap me? Why did I slap you? You didn't ask the question. Why did I slap you? What did you say my mama about Chris? What did you say my mama about Chris? Eh?
IKWO, is that why you slap me? Next time you try this nonsense. Let me ask you. Why are you going about asking guys out? Eh? Why are you going about asking guys out? Eh?
Oh, now I see my red father talking. I see my red father talking from you. Papa, thank you very much. But it's my right. I tell you, it's my right. But let me warn you, favor. Let me warn you. Next time you cussing my name again, oh my God, what will I do to you?
IKWO, what will you do?
Me, what will I do?
Let's leave friendship aside. You are a disgrace to womanhood. You are a disgrace.
Jesus Christ, I'm a disgrace. Fine, I'm a disgrace. Public disgrace. But you, hidden disgrace, hidden arranger. Hidden. Kora rough. Kora what they do. If you go punish you for all the kora they do. Go punish you. Will I be disgrace?
Which sensible woman will go after a man? Begging a man. I love you. Please, think about it. I love you. Are you okay? It's like you're running mad with your love. You're running mad.
Hey, let me show you how mad people do. It's okay.
IKWO the fighter. Baby fire, oh. Everywhere you go, everything you do, everything you say, everybody knows say you not trouble, oh. IKWO the fighter, baby fire, oh. Everybody they complain, IKWO not trouble, oh. IKWO not trouble, oh. IKWO the fighter, baby fire, oh. IKWO. Everybody they complain, IKWO not trouble, IKWO the fighter, baby fire, if not to fight, to cause trouble, you get an A1. Your life not supposed to be like this.
King is killing Chris, so your lover. No fight now. Oh my God! I swear to God. You come on, no. If I no. Go fight now. Don't call me IKWO again. Don't call me IKWO again. Wait a minute. Don't fight now. Fight. What again? Go to that bush close to the highway. Which bush? The one close to the highway? No. Which highway? Let's talk now. You think you?
Favor, you don't even listen to somebody. Chibe, I warned you before that IKWO will beat you one day. Look at you now. Look at yourself. You're fighting IKWO that fights like a man. Eh? And you know she's your friend. Wear your slippers. Let me pick her slippers so we'll go help her fight. Wear your slippers!
IKWO the fighter. Baby fire. IKWO. Chai.
Man must go wrong. Where is what to run now? Where was the red? Where? Jesus Christ. Where was he? He put it on today. King won't keep my boy. King won't keep my boy. IKWO. Oh my. What's happening? IKWO, where are slippers? Where are slippers? Where are slippers? What's happening? IKWO. Why you bring a come here? Why you bring a come here?
We came to help you now.
Help you do what?
Why are you doing with bottle? Why are you carrying bottle? What are you doing with this bottle?
This bottle will kill what to keep my lover. This bottle will kill.
IKWO, wait for us! IKWO!
Ngozi, why us now? Eh? I think my journey ends here. Me, I don't play close to bottles at all.
So, okay, you want to leave your friend to go and die, Abi? Or you want them to kill her?
Oh, what do you want me to do?
Your best friend.
You want me to go and die? Do you want me to go and die?
Follow me, let's go and help her out. Follow me, it's to stop now.
Peter say you want to contest with...
What did happen here? Jess, what did happen here? What did happen here?
What are you doing there? Huh? What are you doing there?
King! King! You fight trouble for this village. You are looking for trouble. You have just hit the war drum. You will dance to it. Cheer and now today you will dance to it. I'm telling you.
I don't need a soothsayer to tell you who I am. Now you need to tell that idiot, that coward hiding behind a woman, what I can do to him, what I can do to anyone who wants to contest with King.
Which King? Who be a woman? Who be a woman? Oh, this is my brother. Oh. This is my man. Oh. You cannot do anything. I am not a woman. Go and look for a woman. Idiot! God punish you.
So you don't know you are the one? You don't know?
Wait, you don't forget when you now you gonna make us want to fight ourselves because of that stranger.
Can you imagine? See these two idiots. Huh? These two fools. You have to talk to me, Abi. I am talking to this king, your boss, not you. If that I match you now, I match you. I tear your future. Come on.
Well, as a matter of fact, we all have a meeting point. And as for you, Chris, Anumanta, Echibunta,
Is that not finished?
See you.
See it, boy?
See you, Chris.
I have killed for all king, you know it. You know it.
I'll finish you this time.
I will tear your future. Go. Idiot. God punish you. They go.
Come on, stay there.
God punish the generation there. God punish your mother. Punish your future. Come and fight down. Come and fight the enemy. Choke you. Destroy your generation. God punish you down there. God punish you there. Idiot. God punish you. Punish your generation. Idiot. Give my son.
You chase 3 boys.
Yes. I will change the generation for you. See you. I keep the phone. Baby fire for you. I'll kill the ownership. Don't worry. Don't fear anything. I hear.
I'm my president.
Ikwana trouble. Ikwana trouble. Ikwa the fighter. Baby fire. Ikwa. Everybody they complain. Ikwana trouble. Ikwana trouble. Ikwa the fighter. Baby fire,
Hello. Madam, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm good. Please, can you tell me more about your friend IKWO?
IKWO. There's nothing really much to know about IKWO. You know, IKWO is a very nice person. She is free-spirited and she loves... She's this kind of girl that is free with everybody she meets.
And so troublesome. Like, she fights a lot.
Favor, don't mind her. IKWO is not troublesome. It's just that to only people that talks bad about her name, you know. IKWO is not really troublesome. And she doesn't like gossip. Like what we are doing right now, she doesn't like it.
Why are you looking like this? What happened to you?
I fell on my way coming there.
Fell? I'm sorry about that.
Fine.
Okay. Please, I really need to see your friend IKWO. Can you take me to her place?
No, we can't take you to her house. So. Her mother will not like it if you follow us to the compound.
And her father?
He died a long time ago.
Oh. Oh, okay. Can you just take me to anywhere that I can see her? I really need to see her.
So, because she fought for you, you want to see her again to fight for you?
No!
Babe, the way you fought those people, it shows that you are in love with him.
Yes.
What if you make him lose his life?
No, he cannot. He cannot lose his life. See me? I know I made a mistake. Yes, I made a mistake. But me, IKWO, I would never ever in my life tell another man I love him. No, I would not. And you see that boy, I will not see him again. But I tell you, King and him boys, for this finish, If they try anything with that Chris, I kill person, head go roll.
See,
damn yes.
What if they come here and look for you in this house?
Then you and Favor could go first.
Me?
You and Favor could go first before I go. You don't know?
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Ekwa, what is it I heard from the market?
Oh, mother, sorry.
Oh, sorry. What is it I heard from the market that you fought your friends and the bad boys of this village?
Mother, you heard right. Yes, mother. You heard right. You heard that information very right. You wrote that down. You think me wrong?
Will you stop that?
You think me wrong? I cannot stand for injustice. So, see me down. Mother, don't worry, I come. If I finish, I come.
That's her fight.
I am telling you, read.
Mother, leave her.
If I finish, I come again. I come. See what I come, mother.
Ekwa!
I come.
Mother, don't mind her. Part of her and Favor. Me, I don't know what caused the fight. But for the king and the boys, they were beating their engineer.
Is it?
The engineer, but I don't know. I don't
Is it
know.
not the same boy she told me that she loved?
Mama, it's the same boy. It's the same boy, and the boy is all over the village looking for it
for the same problem.
For the same problem.
So what? Just go. Eh? I know what to do. Yeah.
Okay, mother.
I called only the two of you for this discussion without bully and insult, because I believe that between the two of you, there's rapport. In other words, there's a relationship going on.
Oh God. Point of very good correction. I don't have nothing to do with this guy here. No.
Well, as a matter of fact, I don't think that guy can contest with me when it comes to women matters. Not in this life and not in the next.
If we don't have good relationship, then how can this business go on as business by a family, by one family? How can business?
So, King, because I said I don't want tea again. I said I don't want tea again. Is it by force? Eh? You want to kill somebody, Pekin? Why now? No. Carry this useless life. Come on for this place. Don't kill you one hand. Kill you one hand throw. Don't kill you throw away.
You're talking to King.
What can you do? What can you do now? Oh, I see. You came to report me to my uncle. Why didn't you go to my mother's house to report me to now? See, uncle, let me tell you something. If you don't have anything important to tell me, don't ever call me again. I'm going. Time is money. Yes, time is money.
If we are into this for a tit-for-tat approach, then I will ask you about my own money that came out of the business of Mado. Have you forgotten?
Very good question for the courts. Very good question. But where is my own share of career money? Yes! Where is it?
This girl about go allow.
Don't try me, uncle. Don't try me. If you don't give me, then you leave it. I tell you, say Maru is mad. Maru is mad. You don't give me the money. Maru is mad. You don't hear. What is it now?
I pialo mawo. Mana pialo mbala. King, they don't mind her and her language. Oh, don't mind her. I know her secrets. If I want to deal with her, I can deal with her. So don't be angry. Just overlook this assault and insult.
Everything you say, everybody knows say you not trouble. Oh, equal the fighter, baby fire. Oh, everybody they complain equal not trouble. Oh, equal not trouble. Oh, equal the fighter.
What's happening now? Why they hide for there? Hey. What did they do you now?
That's the car. Go and check if they're inside.
Make me, only me waka, go check whether they're inside. Oh. So that true, you dey plan to kill me. I don't see him. You want make a die, Abi? But you no go work for you. Make I disappoint you, you no go ever work. Nonsense.
Get away. Which kind of person is that? No, which kind of person you be? Come on to go and check if they're inside. Then I don't wonder.
What do they do for there? Huh? What do they do for there? They take super glue hold you there? Or they take rope tie you for there?
Taking position. Don't want them to see me.
Oh, you don't take position, make they don't see you. But make they for see me, come kill me. Shut up, leave that thing. Come on, leave that thing. So they go see me, kill me. You take position. Man, I tell you, madness, you don't run for your family. Apart from running for your family, you are now displaying madness in foolish format. I be foolishness in madness format. I don't want to say, make I tell you, no be everything go dey. Keep your madness to yourself. No be only you the mad.
You dey call me names.
Me call you names.
You dey call me names.
Me call you names. I go call you names.
No, they
make I tell you something. I know they call you names. I dey tell you who you be. You are a mad person. Whether you like am or not. You be come on. You know what? You go die for you. Go die for here. Mama IKWO, don't let me force you to take what rightly belongs to me. Don't try that.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will you see my nakedness?
Hey! Apialo mawo, mana apialo mbala. I am next of kin, but your late brother, you know how we were related. So whatever he left behind now belongs to me. I don't have to beg you. If you refuse, I force you. I force you.
Can you hear yourself?
I'm hearing myself clearly.
Can you hear your voice as you speak?
I have my voice.
You are next of kin to your late brother's property and not to his wife. Not to me. And will never be. Yes.
Will never be. Can you swear it will never be? Because if you refuse, I force you. I can tear your clothes, do whatever I want to do.
Hey.
The IKWO will not do anything because I'm performing tradition. You see these your laps? I've got them. Nobody will challenge me because
Uncle, you got what lap? What lap are you even talking about? What are you doing here?
So you return without coming to say hello to me?
Uncle, is that what I'm asking you? What lap are you talking about? See my mother now. She's even looking sad. What are you doing here? Let me tell you, I have all your evil deeds on my palm. No, I have all your evil deeds in my palms.
Okay.
It cannot happen here.
Okay.
You cannot succeed here. Let me tell you.
As big as you are, you don't know our tradition. I own your mother every part of her body.
Hey.
Like I said, if I can tear her clothes and have my way, the IKWO will do nothing because IKWO knows it's tradition. Yeah, she don't know tradition.
Haven't you caused enough damage?
You're invoking fire that will burn you. And I pity you when that fire begins to burn you.
Uncle, fire will not burn me. It will not. Show me your back. Leave!
No fire will burn my daughter.
Yes!
Yes.
Then,
no fire will burn my daughter.
Then give way. Let me have my way.
You will never have your way. And because you are shameless, you don't want to hit a small girl's advice of leaving her mother alone.
You can never, Uncle. You will never succeed.
I will
leave
it. This is your laps. I've seen it. I've got it. I will enjoy it. Broad daylight, not in dream. This is your laps. That are big, succulent, the way I want laps. I will enjoy it. Do you understand? Okukuga, ma piawo, ma piambala, ma piala wo mana ma pialombala.
He doesn't want to leave, Abby. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. No, stay here now. Stay.
Come now, let me go and show IKWO and that guy why I am called Ochi Aboto.
At all.
Ochi Adaboto.
At all.
Oh?
Iche. Iche.
Oh! Ah, piano mawo. Ah, piano mo.
Iche.
Ah, piano mawo.
Iche, what is it? Iche. Iche, careful, what? Help! Iche, Ibala? Iche, help! Iche, what is it? Talk to me now. Iche, go. Help! Maziochi Abuto. So you played us all. You played us all by not saying the truth. So you and the doctor killed the courier's wife and you shared the money without giving us a dime?
See, boss, make you know they talk too much. Make you know they talk too much. That money, make you kill this man come up for here.
Shut up! Kill what? What about the money he's owing us? What did you say, Drogama?
beg you people. I want to go to a town called Amapo. If you go there, there's a man called Ujumoye. That man will tell you people what next to do. But I want to beg that you don't tell IKWO and her mother, please. Please. Yeah. IKWO.
See, boss, I hope say you know they consider this man because that money first, that money the important too.
Shut up. Huh? Is it your talk? Come on, shut up, let me talk. That's your Chiabuto. So tell me, why don't you want IKWO or her mother to see you like this?
You know, if they see me like this, they will mock at me and say, how are the mighty fallen? So please don't tell them. Okay.
Well, Iche, if you don't want them to see you like this, you need to tell me what you did to IKWO. Else I will cut you beat by beat.
Please don't kill me. I intentionally made IKWO not to be useful to herself. In fact, I made her to lose interest in education.
Shoot them. Go to which you carry.
Boss, and move.
Shoot them.
You are gone.
What did they talk now? I don't want to die like this, so. They shoot that for nothing. What is grandma they do for nothing, boss? Hey, I don't die. We just they shoot that for nothing, boss. I'm going to do this.
So after all I did for you, after all the love I showed to you after my father's death, you have the guts to destroy my own future. Me, Uncle, why?
What's happening here? What's going on?
It's actually a case of lost. I lost it for the wife of my late brother and wanted to appropriate her all to myself. That's why I killed her husband, my late brother. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Apịalụ m awọ, chọọ ịpịalụ mbala, sọọsọ awọ kwọrọ, mbala ekwọrọ,
Hey! Hey! I have always known that you are a wicked man. I know it. You killed your only brother. Hey! Ochia! Oh!